It's time for today's science lesson, hence the ridiculous hat. This is the part of the show where we like to break down one key scientific principle to see how it works. Now, who can tell me what the following have in common? This back. Flopper. This gong.
Louder.
Bonger. And this classroom. Banger. Yes, today's lesson is all about pressure waves, which you should know are longitudinal waves that propagate energy through oscillations in line with the propagation direction. Clear? No. Well, all right, maybe this will help. The explosion from this commercial bird scarer sends a pressure wave outward, which we experience as a very loud sound. Explosions release a lot of energy very suddenly, which propagates outwards as a pressure wave. The intensity of the wave decreases from the energy source according to the inverse square law. As distance doubles, intensity is courted. It is also worth noting that pressure waves can move through compressible air, incompressible liquids, and in elastic solids, and can also overcome the material strength of rigid solids. Got that? Good, because it's time for a test. Question 1. What causes a pressure wave? What better place to find out than in a secluded wood using a porta potty? Yeah, that is fairly conclusive. A pressure wave is caused by the sudden release of energy. Like that. The explosion sends a blast wave outwards, which is too great for the plastic of the toilet to absorb. And so it doesn't. Question number 2. Do pressure waves just move through the air? The answer is no. They can move through solids too. As that driver has just discovered. When an underground pipe explodes, the force from the pressure wave is enough to break the tarmac in the road, throwing debris into the path of the car, and leaving the driver a little shaken. Pressure waves will also pass through water. And because it's virtually incompressible, it's the perfect medium for destruction. Why does everyone keep breaking toilets? Right, the third and final question. How can you keep yourself safe from a pressure wave? America. This man knows the answer. Woo! The explosion from the banger produces a big pressure wave. But they stay safe because, according to the inverse square law, as distance doubles, intensity is courted. Which means he's up on his science. She gone. If not his gender politics. So that ends our lesson on pressure waves. Class dismissed.